I come to Gurudeva Academy to take SSB coaching. One of my recommended friends suggested me to come here. He told me that there are good kind of teacher and teach very well. He also told me that by coming here, I will get to know the whole SSB process in details. And I learned so many things. My SSB is after 5 months. The reason for joining early academy is that I don't know the procedure of SSB. So I decided to join the academy early. After 30-day course, I know the procedure of and started my preparation accordingly. And Gurudeva's helped me a lot. Gurudeva taught me lots of things here. I learned here 5-day procedure and learned how to participate in GD and PPDT and everything about SSB process. Apart from this, I saw every teacher here is giving their best and motivating every student to work hard. They showed me how to focus on goal and motivated us. And after meeting Colonel Sinha and Colonel Chauhan, I get highly motivated and I do everything for succeed. And Gurudeva showed me a way and pushed me towards my destination. And I will make it with my hard work. Thank you.